you live in the Chattanooga area, more than likely you already know what the Riverwalk is. But just in case you don't, and you have a couple of bicycles just waiting around for somewhere to go, I have the place for you. Chattanooga Riverwalk is an all-purpose trail along the southern banks of the Tennesse River that extends just over 11 miles from one end at the Chickamauga Dam to the other end at the Wheeling Foundry Trailhead and Ranger Station located in Moccasin Bend. Some websites will tell you that it's 13, 16, or 19 miles, but it's really just over 11 miles. Some of the websites will include the connecting spurs and paths and the bike lane that are used to access the trail. There are several access points along the trail. There's at least a half dozen, and it is basically a park that's been built along the banks of the river, and it is an excellent bike path. It's pretty much flat. There's some areas where it might be difficult to follow where the path leads to, but for the most part it's easy to follow and it's pretty easy to bike as well, and it will take you right into downtown Chattanooga along the river, and you will be within a block or two of a lot of attractions such as the Walnut Street Bridge, the Hunter Museum of Art located in the Bluffview Art District, and also the Tennessee Aquarium. There's many Bike Chattanooga stations located along the path for bicycle rentals, and it's a very good place to go to either walk or jog or ride your bicycle. And I recommend taking a bike if you have one and riding the path. We've done it a few times and it is a very nice place to go. You can stop there in downtown Chattanooga, plenty of places to eat, and just enjoy the day.